This is a very fashionable night because for my birthday, it's my birthday right now, and for my birthday, I just got this glam glue set where I make slime and slime ring, slime Percy, and I got it halfway through, and I have one more space to make, and I'm already putting the sticky slime into here. Put it all out, Gonna be the biggest one. Connect that to that. This is gonna be clear slime. So, and I have lots of glitter too. Now I got all the slime now. Now I ran out of my pro powder with all these slimes, so I'm just gonna put some scent in there. Scent. Now I'm going to mix it. No, I can't forget the activator. I'm going to mix it and mix it all up. Alright, add a bit more activator, just enough. Now I'm gonna mix it some more. Yep, there you go. Yeah. Alright, I think this is done. Now I'm going to add the glitter. Which one? I think this one, unicorn tears. There you go. A bit more. Now, I'm going to take this slime and just cover the glitter with it. I can't believe this is real. And then I will. Now it's all done. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now you know that I am a big fan of slime.